How to hide mutual friends on Facebook app. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to hide mutual friends on Facebook app. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So updating your Facebook app is important so that you may have these feature that I will be teaching you. So once you have done updating your Facebook app, you may now open it. And then go to your menu found on the lower right corner if you are using iOS or on the upper right corner if you are using Android. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for settings and privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. Once you're right here, look for the How People Find and Contact You, which is under Audience and Visibility. So click on it, wait for it to load, and look for Who Can See Your Friends List. So go ahead and click on Who Can See Your Friends List, and then make sure to choose Only Me right here. So if you cannot see the option only me, then make sure to click on more right here. So again, just to recap, go to your menu found on the lower right corner, go to settings, scroll down and go to how people find and contact you, go to who can see your friends list and choose only me. So that's it. That's how you can hide mutual friends on Facebook app.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.